This is my first ever short, really just to show you how much of an idiot I am at times. This is my Godox V860 Mark II speedlight. Stupidly, I pulled out the reflector card completely by accident to try and get it back in. This is what has happened so far. Yeah, but I think I actually might have figured it out. 16 screws later and a few of the little gubbins, I've got through to the diffusion panel. The reflector card sits over the top of it, something like that. So now I just need to try and put it back together. Hard to do with one hand, but it is now working. There's my reflector card and diffusion filter. They pop down absolutely fine, still working as well. Job's a good one. Sponsor me.